Pixie haircuts are a timeless chic and low-maintenance option for women of all ages. However, they are especially flattering for older women seeking a fresh, youthful, and sophisticated appearance. The versatility of pixie cuts makes them perfect for adapting to different hair textures, face shapes, and personal styles. In this video, we've compiled 15 rejuvenating pixie haircuts for older women that offer a modern twist. 1. Classic Silver Pixie, a short, tapered cut with natural silver or gray hair. This style embraces aging gracefully while offering easy upkeep and timeless sophistication. 2. Textured Pixie with side bangs. Soft, feathery layers combined with long side-swept bangs create volume and movement, making this a perfect choice for thinning hair. 3. Short Pixie with Undercut. A daring yet practical option, this cut features closely cropped sides and a slightly longer top, adding a modern edge. 4. Tapered Pixie with Volume at Crown. The tapered back enhances the silhouette while added volume at the crown lifts the face and gives a youthful effect. 5. Long Layered Pixie. Longer layers at the top and crown provide flexibility for styling while keeping the sides and back neat and tidy. 6. Curly Pixie Cut, ideal for naturally curly hair. This style enhances natural texture, offering a soft and lively look. 7. Asymmetrical Pixie. One side is slightly longer, creating an edgy, contemporary vibe that frames the face beautifully. 8. Pixie Bob Hybrid. Blending the length of a bob with the structure of a pixie. This cut is excellent for women who want a bit more length, but still love the manageability of a short style. 9. Soft Wavy Pixie. Loose, subtle waves add volume and a relaxed, feminine finish, perfect for softening facial features. 10. Choppy Pixie Cut. Uneven, choppy layers bring texture and a carefree, youthful energy to the overall look. 11. Pixie Cut with Micro Bangs. Bold and fashion-forward, micro bangs paired with a short pixie draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones. 12. Pixie with Long Fringe. This style offers longer front layers that can be swept to the side, allowing versatility and a face-framing effect. 13. Rushed Back Pixie. Slicked back for a polished appearance, this cut is perfect for women seeking a more elegant, structured look. 14. Shaggy Pixie Cut. With lots of layers and natural movement, the Shaggy Pixie adds a playful, youthful twist while remaining effortlessly stylish. 15. Low Maintenance Pixie. A no-fuss, simple cut that's easy to style and maintain, perfect for active lifestyles and busy schedules. 16. Layered Pixie with Highlights. Strategically placed highlights add depth and dimension to the layers, creating a sun-kissed, vibrant effect. 17. Pixie with Soft Tapered Nape. The nape is gently tapered to create a smooth, feminine silhouette, adding elegance to the style. 18. Piecey Pixie Cut. Separated, well-defined strands create a piecey texture, giving a light, airy feel and modern structure. 19. Spiky Pixie Cut. For the bold and adventurous, spiked-up layers add edge and a strong personality to the look. 20. Sleek Pixie Cut. Ultra-smooth and closely cropped, this cut exudes confidence and sophistication, perfect for showcasing natural hair color or subtle highlights.